Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to set up Owlet Dream Sock. Alright, let's begin. First of all, download the Owlet app from either the App Store or Google Play Store. Next, open the app and click on Join to create an account. After that, follow the on-screen prompts and add your child's profile by entering your baby's information. After that, select the Add Device tab and choose Dream Sock as the device you want to set up. You can then plug the base station to a wall and connect the Dream Sock to the base station by following the on-screen pairing instructions. Simply follow the app instructions to connect the Dream Sock to your Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi base indicator should light to confirm that the Wi-Fi is connected. Then pair your baby's Dream Sock to the base station following the in-app directions. After that, place the sock properly and carefully on your baby's foot and ensure direct contact for accurate readings. Confirm that the sock fits the baby well and adjust if needed. So that's basically how you can set up Owlet Dream Sock. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.